Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you an incredibly useful feature, how to generate and download PDF files directly within the Google Gemini chat. This means you no longer need to export text to Microsoft Word or use external tools like Canva. To get started, you'll want to make sure you have access to Gemini Advanced, specifically using the Thinking or Pro models, which handle complex tasks best. Let's dive right into our first test. I'm going to paste a detailed prompt asking Gemini to create a professional freelance web design invoice. I've specified that it needs a table with service, hours, and price columns, and I asked it to include some dummy services and calculate the total. Let's see how it handles this. Once it finishes processing, Gemini provides a direct downloadable PDF link right here in the chat. Let's click on it. As you can see, it generated a clean, perfectly aligned invoice with all the fake data and totals exactly as requested. To save this to your computer, simply click the download icon in the top right corner. Next, let's try something a bit more data-heavy. I'll prompt it to create a solar system planetary datasheet with 4 specific data columns and ask it to fill in accurate scientific data for all 8 planets. I also requested a fun facts section at the bottom. And here's the result, a beautifully structured PDF. Notice how it automatically included a smart header and alternating row colors for easy readability, completely fulfilling the prompt requirements. You can also use web links. Here, I'm pasting a link to a Wikipedia article about World War II. I'm instructing Gemini to summarize the web page and create a PDF that includes visual elements. Look at what it produced. It created a highly professional summary document that actually features a computationally generated timeline of key events and a bar chart summarizing casualties. The possibilities really are endless here. You can paste your own raw text, no matter how long, and tell Gemini exactly how many pages you want the PDF to be. It will format everything directly in the chat interface. But here's my favorite feature. You can even upload images of your own handwritten notes. Here, I'm selecting several pictures of my physics notes and asking Gemini to transform them into a PDF study guide, complete with visual charts for better understanding. Look at this output. It took messy handwriting and synthesized it into a comprehensive, professionally formatted study guide. This makes learning and sharing notes so much easier. And again, you can download it instantly. So that's it for today's tutorial. Generating PDFs natively inside Gemini is a massive time saver. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.